Welcome to the Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium video series. Subject History and Civics, Standard 6, Lesson number 2, Sources of History, video number 3. Introduction. A number of objects used by our ancestors still exist. Some inscriptions from the past have been recorded. Sources like these help us to understand our history. History can also be learned through customs and traditions, folk art, folk literature, as well as historical documents. All these are known as sources of history. Sources of history: first, material sources, written sources, oral sources. First one point: material sources. Man uses a variety of things in his day to day life. They are known as artifacts. Artifacts used by women in the past provide as valuable information about life in the ancient times. We can decide the period of ancient artifact like earthen pot of studying the shape, color, and design on ancient potsherds. The ornament and other artifacts light on social interaction. We get information about the diet of the people from the remains of food grain, seeds, and bones of animals found in excavations. Also, we find the remains of houses and buildings built in different historical periods. We also find ancient coins and shells. All these give us information about human activities in the past. All such artifacts, articles, monuments, or their runs are called the material sources of history. Second one point: written sources. The Stone Age people have recorded many events and expressed their emotion in painting in rocks. It was only after thousands of years that man learned the art of writing. In the beginning, women used symbols and sing to record their thoughts and ideas. However, it took thousands of years for a script to develop from those. In the beginning, man wrote on potsherds, unbaked bricks using pointed object. We also use bridge. It means that burja tree bark or write on. Burja patra means writing sheets made from the bark of a bridge trees. As his experience and knowledge increased, he began to write in different ways. He began to record the event that took place around him. Accounts of the proceeding of royal court were also written systematically. Many lords had their orders, judicial decisions, donations, etc. inscribed on stone or copper plates. Over a period of time, many forms of literature develop. They include books on religion and social subjects, plays, poetry, travelages, and scientific works. All this literature help us to understand the history of the various historical period. These sources are known as the written sources of history. Thank you.